This gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath is condo located in the sought-after Spence Crossing community. Offering an open-floor concept perfect for entertainment, gourmet kitchen, plenty of counter space, and large pantry. First-floor laundry closet with shelving, private fenced patio, and storage shed. 2 spacious suites upstairs with their own full bath, one with a walk-in closet and a bonus/flex room perfect for office space. Amenities included in this beautiful community are clubhouse, gym, basketball court, 2 resort-style pools, playground, walking, and bike trails. Also, included in the monthly dues is the water, sewer, trash, ground maintenance, and master insurance policy. This condo offers comfort and conveniently located near interstates, shopping, dining, military bases, Sentara Princess Anne, and Veterans United Amphitheater.